The morning vlog starts with a visitor in our kitchen.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken.
For today's vlog, we do have a visitor in our kitchen today, which I showed in the start of the vlog. Today, I and my husband are going to pick my son up to the school. So I'll just show you the way and the transport and how do we go. My husband is already outside. There he is. So we stay at Admiralty, which is on the Red Line in Singapore. So this, we get into the elevator. Manan, you want to say hi? So my son Arav is in K1 and he's in Leap Kids school in Singapore, which by bus is around 10 minutes or so, like three or four stops from our house. So thought, why not take you through that journey. Okay. So we have, of course, I'll be doing a vlog of the place where we stay, but we do have multiple entrances. So we are taking entrance out, which has tree and of course pigeons. So yeah, I'm following the man. So yeah, we will be first doing 2 stops. One stop to pick up a pastry for my son. Today is my husband's birthday. He is a Jain Gujarati and he does not eat cakes over here. Over the normal bakeries in Singapore usually have egg in the cakes and pastries, and that's the reason he does not eat it. We do have another visitor here, just a way out. So we are heading towards the main entrance right now. Thank you. So usually we can take a bus to get to his school, but I and my husband will be walking towards the place where we are planning to go. Man, let's take this. Or cycling. Cycling is really big in Singapore, so yeah. There is greenery everywhere, as you can see. The trees, and this is all shaded. Of course, for the main signal we have to wait, and sometimes it's difficult to stand in sun. So yeah, it's a lot shaded here. We are just going towards the signal and we will wait. So right now it's green, but by the time we reach, it won't be green. So what we are doing is we are taking a longer route. We're just walking towards the way, taking you around. Minute walk. We will just be walking, taking you. There's an overbridge which you can go from here, and which takes you up. So yeah, as I mentioned, cycling is really big. You can see food pandas and other drivers taking food through cycles. Singapore, as you all know, it's near the equator, very hot, very humid climate. So stay on track. Let's stay on track. This is a walking path while this is a cycling path. So we are right now walking on the walking path. Here you won't see, like the area where I stay, which is considered like a suburb. You won't see a lot of tall buildings. In, I guess in Hong Kong, every other building is a tall building. So yeah, that's a big difference. Here you get to see the skylines. You get to see around when I'm walking. I'm sorry, my mic is not working, so there might be a little bit disturbance when I'm speaking, and of course the mask. In Singapore, wearing mask right now is a compulsory thing. You have to wear a mask, and if you're caught not wearing a mask, you're penalized. There are a few cases where people have been given a prison sentence, and there are cases going on. So in Singapore, law is very go in, get what I want. Hello. One cute panda. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. So yeah, they have a lot of products. My son likes this. I have tasted most of their pastries and they are really yum. So यहाँ पे हम MRT स्टेशन से बाहर आ गए। झाड़ काटने का काम चालू है। Again, you can see the thing going. यूजुअली स्मिता जो मेरे यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 11 साल से है, मेरी शादी हुई तब से आई हुई है मेरे पास. शी इज़ अ सिस्टर टू मी, फैमिली टू अस. इट्स व्हाई आई सेड वी आर अ फैमिली ऑफ 4. तो मुझे दूसरा बच्चा नहीं है, बट या वी आर अ फैमिली. वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, वैसे भी धूप हो या ना हो, सनस्क्रीन लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है गाइस. यहाँ पे सिग्नल के लिए रुकते वक्त देयर इज़ दिस मशीन जो हम प्रेस करते हैं, विच शोज अ साइन. अकॉर्डिंगली द सिग्नल विल देन चेंज. हियर वी आर वॉकिंग, मैनेज टू कैच अप विद मनक. ओह, वहाँ पे क्यूट सा बेबी डॉगी है. आई डोंट नो इफ द ओनर इज comfortable, but if you can see, a very cute one. So हम अभी ये आरव के स्कूल का गार्डन है और हम आरफ के स्कूल पहुंच चुके हैं। मुझे बेल बजाने के बाद ब्लॉग बंद करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अंदर अलाउड नहीं है। बट वंस आई गेट हिम इन आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू हिम अगेन। बाय। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हिम। यहाँ पे एक ही पेरेंट अंदर जा सकता है प्रेजेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ द वायरस, तो पेरेंट्स अंदर नहीं जा सकते। तो मनन अंदर जा चुका है। आई एम वेटिंग। आरफ के स्कूल का एरिया है, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं। ग्रीनरी एंड HBDs आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स। सो यहाँ पे बस स्टॉप है जहाँ से हम बस लेंगे वापस घर जाने के लिए। ऑफ कोर्स चल के नहीं जाएंगे, बच्चा हमारे साथ है। एंड oh, you can see the sky. It's so blue and nice white clouds. हर जगह की एक ब्यूटी होती है। आई गेस सिंगापुर की ब्यूटी यहाँ की ग्रीनरी, यहाँ की हीट और यहाँ के लोग हैं। He has not seen me yet, so जा रहे हैं बस स्टैंड की तरफ। एंड Araf, hi Araf, you want to say something?
Yeah.
What?
How was the day?
Fine, my day was so fine, but I was sitting up and I finished the pasta and the frosted paper.
Great. So हम अभी क्रॉस करेंगे।
No! Go to bus!
We have to take a bus which is that side.
I like bus!
Where's the bus?
I like the bus! I like bus! I like bus!
Yeah, he likes the bus. मनन इसको कैप पहना देना।
I'm sitting up today.
Bus is here. We are going to sit down, Araf. We are not going to sit up, okay? Oh, it's crowded bus. So we just got down from the bus. Sorry, I couldn't show you inside the bus. Because of COVID, they have asked people not to talk a lot on the phone. So, sort of like a violation of the rules. पर हाँ, हम उतर चुके हैं। So, ये जो बस स्टॉप है, I can show you. ये मेरे कॉन्डो के exactly पीछे है। So, Araf gets down here. Today is Manan and me, but usually it's Smita and Araf. So yeah, you will see a lot of birds here. Trust me, हम जब हांगकांग में थे हम इतना ऑफेंडली बर्ड्स नहीं देख सकते थे. It was only concrete. So अरब ने just कार ये किया है and we are just into our condo. It's a so कॉन्डो, हमारे कॉन्डो में बेसिकली 3 गेट्स हैं. एक गेट जो मेन गेट जो हम स्टार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग देख चुके हैं, ये सेकंड गेट है जो बसेस के लिए है. ये पीछे की बाजू है कॉन्डो की. हमारी बिल्डिंग मेन गेट के पास है. ये 5 मिनट का वॉक है. और एक तो यहाँ पे 2 वॉक्स है सीधा वेयर कार्स कम फ्रॉम एंड सॉरी बट देयर इज़ अ वॉक फ्रॉम द गार्डन जो हम लेंगे. आरव, you want to show the garden? So
The garden is there, far away, so we are going home. We found a garden and there is clubhouse up there.
what is that?
That is clubhouse.
Okay.
You get ticket there, then there is a building here too.
Okay.
So
So ये कॉन्डो में हमारे एक छोटा सा प्लेग्राउंड जैसा है बच्चों के लिए। अब मेरे कॉन्डो के पीछे भी एक पब्लिक पार्क है, बट ये छोटा सा एक है। यहाँ से भी पीछे टेनिस कोर्ट, स्विमिंग पूल है। आगे जाके बारबेक्यू भी है और एज आई सेड ग्रीनरी काफ़ी है। सो हाँ, हम जिस रोड से आए थे हम उसी रोड पे पहुंच चुके हैं। हम यहाँ से ऊपर जाएंगे, फिर आरव विल have his bath and he will eat his food. So
And how about Keku?
and of course we'll cut the pastry for Papa and then Arav will have that pastry. But आज का ब्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ही एंड करती हूँ। शायद कैट भी अपने को बाय करने के लिए आ गई है। बट थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर योर कमेंट्स, लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर योर कमेंट्स। प्लीज़ बताइए आप और क्या देखना चाहेंगे। थैंक यू so much. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.
That's how we ended our day, by wishing Manan a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Manan. Have a blast. Thank you guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Look forward for your comments. Have a good night. Good night. Take care. Be safe.